July everyone. At first, I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Today, Irikzin Chorol is here to share a few lines on Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. This day is celebrated to mark the anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji, and also to pay tribute to him who devoted his life to India's independence by using his strong weapon, non-violence. Not only in India, in fact, the whole world, this day is celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. And this day is observed as national holiday in India. This day is also celebrated to remember Gandhiji's sacrifice, peace, and non-violence. Non-violence is the main weapon of Gandhiji's against independence. Under his able guidance, India became free on 15 August 1947. Gandhiji believed that education is the most powerful weapon in this world for the new generation to achieve the fundamental rights. The real name of Gandhiji was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is also known as Father of the Nation. Thank you.
दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़क बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am here to speak a few words about Gandhi Jayanti. Our third national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, was born on 2nd October 1869. He fought for the freedom of our country. Truth and non-violence were his tool to fight against British. His way to fighting was Satyagraha. He taught us to be honest and truthful. Truth and non-violence. Karo ya maro Angrezo, Bharat Chodo. These were slogans of Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you, everyone.
I want to speak on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father's name was Karamchand and mother's name was Putli Bai. Gandhiji is also known as Bapu and father of the nation. His birthday is celebrated every year as Gandhi Jayanti. He was a great freedom fighter. He was died on 30 January 1948. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay Tolma and we have gathered to celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. This is Gandhi's 150th birth anniversary because of his struggle for India. The title Mahatma Gandhi was Bapu and Gandhiji. The two pillars of Gandhism are truth and non-violence. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Jimmy Chandra number 9 class 5D will speak about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is also called as the father of our nation. He was born at Porbandar, Gujarat on 2nd October 1869. His childhood name was Karamchand Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putli Bai. He went to England to study law. He remained away from meat and fish. He was very straightforward, truthful and honest. He fought British against Raj in India. He taught the world non-violence. Thank you, Manley.
शुभ प्रभात आदरणीय उप
मुख्यातिथि प्रधानाचार्य, उप प्रधानाचार्य, मुख्याध्यापिका, अध्यापक और मेरे प्यारे सहपाठियों, आज मैं तंजिलात्सव गांधी पर कुछ शब्द कहने जा रही हूँ। गांधी भारत का एक महान नेता था। हम उनको प्यार से बापू भी बुलाते हैं। उनका जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 में हुआ था। उनका जन्म पोरबंदर, गुजरात में हुआ था। उनका पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी थे। उनकी माता का नाम पुतलीबाई और उनके पिता का नाम करमचंद गांधी थे। गांधी अहिंसा पर विश्वास करते थे। भारत की आज़ादी के लिए गांधी ने एक बड़ा भूमिका निभाई थे और 15 अगस्त 1947 में भारत आजाद हो गए। जय हिंद।
As Tanzila of class 4A is going to speak few lines on Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October all over the country. It is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi ji full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhi ji, also known as Bapu and father of the nation. He was a great and powerful leader in India. Gandhi Jayanti is a national festival in India. He is also a true role model of the new generation. जय हिंद।
नमस्ते अध्यापिका जी, मैं तंजीला को कक्षा तीसरी के अनुक्रमांक 18 हूँ। आज मैं गांधी जयंती के विषय में चंद शब्द कहना चाहूँगा। गांधी जयंती हर वर्ष 2 अक्टूबर को पूरी भारत में मनाया जाता है, क्योंकि 2 अक्टूबर 1869 में गुजरात के पोरबंदर गांव में मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी का जन्म हुआ था। गांधी जी का भारत के स्वतंत्रता पर काफी अहम योगदान रहा। गांधी जी हमेशा सत्य और अहिंसा के रास्ते पर चलते थे और वह लोगों से आशा करते थे कि वह भी सत्य और अहिंसा का रास्ता अपनाए। महात्मा गांधी जी के अहिंसा के सोच के वजह से पूरी विश्व में 2 अक्टूबर को अहिंसा का अंतर्राष्ट्रीय दिवस भी मनाया जाता है। महात्मा गांधी जी।
मेरा नाम चिन्मय नोदन है। मैं तीसरी कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं गांधी जी के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ। गांधी जी का पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था। गांधी जी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 को पोरबंदर में हुआ था। उन्हें भारत का राष्ट्रीय पिता भी कहा जाता है। गांधी जी एक महान स्वतंत्रता सेना थे। उन्होंने हमारे देश को अंग्रेजों से बचाया, आजाद करवाया था।
जी, मेरा नाम संजीन सुष्कित है। मेरा रोल नंबर 24 है। मैं क्लास 3 में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरा सेक्शन ए है, क्लास 3 है। मैं गांधी जी के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ। मेरा नाम गांधी जी है। मैं 2 अक्टूबर 1869 पोरबंदर गुजरात में पैदा हुआ हूँ। मेरा माता का नाम पुतलीबाई है। मेरा पिता का नाम करमचंद गांधी जी है। धन्यवाद।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम रिगजना है। आज मैं महात्मा गांधी के बारे में 3 शब्द बोलूंगी। एक, महात्मा गांधी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 गुजरात के पोरबंदर में हुआ। दूसरा, गांधी जी ने इंग्लैंड में अपने वकालत की पढ़ाई पूरी की। तीसरा, महात्मा गांधी जी भारत के राष्ट्रपिता माने जाते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Good evening. My name is Yungchen Namdo, roll number 17, class 50. Speech on Gandhi Jayanti. On 2 October, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti every year. We celebrate this day as a national celebrate in India. It is a non-violence day in India.
नमस्ते अध्यापिका जी, मेरा नाम सोनम ज्ञानमो है। आज मैं गांधी जयंती के बारे में कुछ शब्द बताना चाहती हूँ। गांधी जयंती 2 अक्टूबर को पूरे विश्व में गांधी जयंती मनाया जाता है। महात्मा गांधी जी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 को गुजरात के पोरबंदर गांव में हुआ था। उनका पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था। उनके पिता का नाम करमचंद और माता का नाम पुतलीबाई था। गांधी जी को बापू और राष्ट्रपिता के नाम से जाना जाता है। गांधी जी सत्य और अहिंसा के पुजारी थे। उनका जन्मदिन हर विश्व गांधी जयंती के रूप में मनाया जाता है। गांधी जी ने पूरे विश्व में
Hello everyone, today I, Sanjana Richok, is going to give a speech on Gandhi Ji. Gandhi Ji's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He was also known as Father of Nation and people like to call him Bapu. He was also the founder of Indian National Congress. He had 3 imaginary monkeys which were don't see evil, don't say evil, don't hear evil. His last words were Hey Ram, shot by Nathuram Godse at a prayer meeting in 1948. May his soul rest in peace.
खुद वो बदलाव बनिए जो आप दुनिया में देखना चाहते हैं. Be the change you want to see in the world. A very good morning to all. Today we are here to give a small tribute to the father of our nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. He was raised in a very religious family and was taught self-discipline and non-violence. At the age of 19, he left India and went to London to study law. And in 1891, he was asked to join an Indian firm in South Africa. He started teaching everyone self-resistance, and in July 1914, after 20 years in South Africa, he returned to India to get India its independence. Finally, in 1947, British gave India its independence, but divided the country into 2 colonies, India and Pakistan. Gandhiji was against partition. On January 30, 1948, Gandhiji was on his way back from an evening prayer in New Delhi when he was shot dead by Nathuram Godse. He was a Hindu fanatic who was furious about Gandhiji
was against the partition and was negotiating on cancelling on it. I want to conclude by saying that the life of Gandhiji is an open book where we can learn how to appreciate life and the importance of non-violence. He lived for the country's betterment and he died for the country. Thank you. Here I am wearing a dress made by Gandhiji. He introduced this one. This is called Khadi. Thank you.